Morning guys and girls. Right, good night all in all. Windy as you like. It's a little bit breezy this morning. The water's pretty calm here, but we're on the lee side of the island, so I think as we get around the other side it's going to be pretty choppy, I think, tomorrow. But regardless of that, we're pushing off today. We've been here for 2 days now, and so coffee's on the go. Had a bit of a tragedy this morning. Bob's got a GSI 8-cup percolator thing here, and the glass, believe it or not, they have a glass knob on the top. This thing broke, but luckily we looked online, you can get a spare one, so you can sort that out when we get back. But here's Rob here. Good morning, Rob.
Good morning.
Cameras at dawn. He also had a tragedy with his hammock. His hammock split, which I'm sure he won't mind me showing you. And if you come under here, you can see it here. So yeah, he's really not quite pleased about that, and I don't blame him. Yeah, never seen that before with a hammock. But, there you go. Stranger things have happened and all that. So we're going to have a quick breakfast this morning, just really some coffee and a quick bite to eat. I'm not cooking. I'm just going to ram some calories in my stomach, and yeah, then we're going to push off. And like I said yesterday, we're going to go for a full-on blast up this side of this island, and yeah, camp further up. Tomorrow is going to be a real pain. I think we're going to struggle, but that's all part and parcel of the experience. So there you go. So anyway, guys, so what was that?
What did you say? Spoons?
Spoons.
There's been no spooning going on.
Yeah. So yeah, there you go. We're going to head off after breakfast once we pack down, and yeah, burnt Rob's hammock. It's obviously rubbish. Was that a DD hammock?
Yeah, had it for 7 years.
DD hammocks split around the backside. 10th wonder hammocks, they don't do that. So anyway, right, there you go. I'll leave you a little shot of the kettle boiling away, and we'll catch up with you soon. Bye bye. Well guys, we're just packing up now. The campsite's all cleared away, apart from a few scuff marks and footprints. You wouldn't know we've been there. We've scattered any wood that we've used. Rob's just packing away some stuff.
Got my old man shirt on.
Yeah, his new woolly shirt. It's awesome. Well chuffed with that. And yeah, just some gear strewn about, ready to go in the canoe. And we're going that way. And the weather's actually calmed down a bit. Oh, blue sky, look. Blue sky. Yay. Black sky. Boo. But we're going that way, and not far. We need to be a little bit sensible, because the way the weather's been, if the weather turns again, then we're trying to get back to the car. It's going to be an absolute pig, and this canoe's not designed for bad like waves and stuff. It's too shallow, and it has no stern or bow risers, so it just digs into the waves, which is rather unpleasant. So there you go. So we're going to load the canoe, get on the water, and we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hello everybody. Right, new campsite for us, and this is pretty cool. It's a very small island. kind of joined a little bit to the land by kind of a mess. The wind's just changed direction, so Rob's tarp's turned into a parachute for some reason. Let's just spin you around so you can see. Okay. And my one's giving it a bit of a dance, but it's alright, it's coping. I've basically pinned mine out this wide at the moment, really, to give myself some headroom and also string up a clothesline, because we went swimming earlier and you know, manly men of the north, and it was proper cold actually. It was instant numb knees. Yeah, but it was nice to wash off the 3 days worth of scuzz that we'd collected. And so yeah, I should take you over to the shoreline and you can get a look at the lake. And like I say, the wind's picked up, so if you can't hear me very well, I apologise. Here's the canoe just pulled up. We tend to bring it off the water and flip it over, especially now because of the rain. And yeah, otherwise you get up in the morning, go to put the stuff in the boat and it's full of water, so it's good practice to flip it upside down. Got some mushrooms here. These are the edible type that Rob was munching down on. So let me spin you around, because this is quite gorgeous. But I don't know if you can make it out. You probably can on the camera. The hills here, you can see the rain coming over, and there's some windmills up there, and they're shrouded in mist, which is probably rain. But it's a nice little island. This is really pretty. Plenty of ling on it, so we can munch down. And yeah, it's pretty cool. But I'll show you. I'll take you over to the camp now. You can have a look. But yeah, the wind just suddenly picked up. We were basking in sunshine a little while ago, and then the next thing, whoosh, in comes the wind. So yeah, once again, there's my setup here, and I plan to lower this one down before bed, just to afford me a little bit more protection if the wind changes direction. And, here's our little washing line, all strung up. And over to Robert's section. I'm sure he'll talk you through his layout.
I went with a front setup due to the fact that my DD hammock grip in the bottom, and it's only one layer, so it can be fixed. And I've set it up so I have maximum working space underneath, and I can double it under the tarp when I go to bed to keep out the worst of the wind. So that's my plan.
Yeah.
And I've used every kind of spring available to man. So it's no fancy setup.
Hopefully it won't blow away. Yeah. So there you go, guys. This is our second camping spot, because we stayed at the first one for the 2 nights, because we wanted to do a couple of little projects which obviously will be on the video. And yeah, so we've got plenty of firewood looking around. We've picked out a spot for the fire pit, which is what I'm standing in right now, and just here we'll clear this away. So anyway, I love you and leave you, and yeah, we'll crack on setting up and speak to you later. Bye. Right, camp's fully set up now. Bob's just over here making a spoon, and here, these, and yeah, put up this really cool shelter, keep the wind off. I went off and got some wood, Got the fire pit ready, got the tripod up, and yeah, we're ready to rock and roll now. So we're just gonna chillax, really. Just wanted to share this with you. The lake is like a mill pond. It's been quite good this trip because we've seen that the water level, because of the amount of rain we've had recently, the water level's been a lot higher as far as we can see. And yeah, I mean, if you look here, you can see these grasses would normally be on land, and they're below water. And I don't know if you can see it, but just there is basically part of an island, and it's pretty much submerged. All that's left poking out is the birch. It just goes to show how much rain we've had over the last 3-4 months, and yeah, the water levels have risen ridiculously high. But having never canoed on this lake before, Canoeing, which is in Darlana, it's a gorgeous lake. It really is nice, and we're definitely coming back here again. And it's not far from my house, about an hour and 10 minutes from my house, so there's no excuse for not coming here. It's so quiet. It's absolutely gorgeous. And Rob's making his spoon. He's going to try a hot ember to burn out the bowl. That's his plan. And yeah, it's all going good. Update on the shirt. This is the Phil Evan #1 shirt, anorak shirt, and I did a review on it when I first got it, saying how much, you know, I like the design and the feel of it. Haven't used it so far on this trip. It's, yeah, holding up really well. It's great around the fire. It's quite warm, but it's not 100% waterproof. It's only G1000 light, but it's, yeah, it dries out really quick. So I'm kind of thinking I might give it a wax on the shoulders just to make it a little bit more proof. But on the whole, I'm really pleased with it. So yeah, it's all good. But I just can't get over this lake. There you go. I'm going to catch up with Rob, and yeah, I'll speak to you later on maybe.